from Smurfette. Welcome to the garage. And it's pretty dark in here because I'm about to hit the lights. Now we have a bright ass garage. I did say I was gonna get LEDs, but I end up doing it anyway. These guys look pretty fucking miserable. We got proven and random. So garage is finally up to par where I want it to be so I can start working on my baby. So today I have a nice little checklist and we'll see how much I can get done today. And Happy New Year's to all of y'all. You guys want to say anything? Y'all just chilling?
Happy New Year's. Cool.
Look at that. Happy New Year's.
Oh wait, we got more Spanish listeners.
Yep.
Año Nuevo.
There you go. So today I'm gonna get her on all fours, start taking some stuff off, maybe some body parts. Let's see how far I can get through. Today at Automotive Intervention, we got two guys here and we're trying to figure out what is their car problems. Mr. Rihanna, what is your number one car problem?
My car problem?
He is very expensive. Very expensive. Now let's go on to the next person. Proven, what is your car problem? I got it. He doesn't know what fucking car he wants. It could be this, that, fourth. We'll be back later. All right, we got pretty far for a matter of what it looks like. It says here 1 hour, guys. It's pretty sad. There's text that does this faster than us. That's okay. All right, who wants to drain the radiator? Who wants to go underneath and unplug it? Say, let's not all jump at once. Let's not all jump at once.
What's this shit?
I got it. Screwdriver. It's time to have fun and drain this bad boy. All right. Give it underground feel.
You just poking a hole in it. What about you doing? Get ready to lick off.
Dude.
You think I'm that stupid? That's how I be looking.
Yeah, we gotta open up the rat. I don't open it up yet because that's a short pan. You know this. Go for it. No, uncap it. Oh, camera getting it.
E voilà. Jiggle.
I ain't one.
Got you radiator for that.
That burp was brought to you by Monster Energy Drink.
Monster.
This moment brought to you by KFC. The pot pie, you know how they got the $5 fill-up boxes?
Oh yeah.
That pot pie from, oh my goodness. Girl, you know who you look like? You ever seen the first Fast and Furious? Yeah. You like you relate to the nigga in the yellow R33. So, find another way home, pizza boy.
What's going on around here? Streets closed, pizza boy. Find another way home.
Can't make that hard here. Just as hard to put in as fucking to take out. It was a bitch to get this shit out. I made the cuts mad precise. As you can tell.
Eventually.
Shout out to the guys for helping me out. Definitely very useful. I got a lot done on my list, as you can tell right here. She's all pretty much, yeah. It's time to break her down. So now I'm pretty much ready to bring down the subframe. So, I'm excited. But other than that, stay tuned for more. Comment, like, subscribe. Say deuces, guys. Deuces.